So that's my eggplant with beef. And then this one is the teriyaki chicken. And this one, these two is the pork, sweet and sour pork. And this one is, these two is a Mongolian beef. Mga kamot sa mga gipanggutom mo. So that's my sister and my mom. What? Huh?
Kanang talong.
Yeah, that's the eggplant because I like eggplant.
I don't think so.
Yummy, yummy.
I'm not even eating.
Yeah, I will eat. And then
No, because we gotta go.
that's the food.
We gotta
Whatever.
go. Hurry up.
So this is our first time eating in a restaurant, and then they're serving as a paper plate. They probably run out of plates, but it's okay. We're easy people. We don't complain, but I was just like, saying why. Anyway, so I'll eat. So let me try the Mongolian beef first. Okay. Sweet and sour pork. And then
Di ba nag-work rice ka?
this one. There should be two rice. This is my eggplant. I love eggplant. So eggplant. What else? I want the chicken.
I-check on niya ang buwan kay Cindy.
Yeah, this is the teriyaki chicken. She said I said 2 steamed rice, and then my steamed rice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. So this is my food in a paper plate. We are in the restaurant, but we're using paper plates, so I don't know why. Maybe it's still COVID.
That's the volcano I can.
Are they also eating with paper plate? Yeah, it is paper plate.
How long can that be?
It probably costs more if we're using paper plate than washing it. What do you think? So this is my plum one. Oh, it's good. Hi guys,
Yeah.
I'm still drinking my plum wine, and I'm here at China Grill. Can you please leave me alone? Stop mischieving.
It's Kikoman.
Is
It's Kikoman Grill.
Stop, leave me alone. Anyway guys, there's a buwang right here. And then and if you try to show him the camera, he's gonna cover like this. So that's
No,
why
cover it like
that's
this.
why I don't want him to be in the video. No. There's too much mischief.
Sometimes I do my hat too.
Stop. Anyway guys, I just finished eating my
Hey, don't waste this
dinner.
eggplant. It's so yummy. Don't waste that eggplant.
I know
You eat
guys,
that.
I'm so full already. Look, there's still a lot of food on my there's still food on my plate. I couldn't finish anymore. So
Yelled at your mom.
I'm just enjoying my food.
Stop.
What is that? Anyway guys, like I said, we are here at China Grill. I just finished eating my eggplant with beef, Mongolian beef, and my sister got a chicken teriyaki, and also my mom got a Mongolian beef, and then the other one was sweet and sour pork with our rice. I couldn't finish my rice anymore. See, I'm already full, guys, but I don't want to finish it. See, there's still rice left, and I still have my food also on my plate. So, you guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you the rest of. We are here more like at the back of the restaurant, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like later outside and more maybe in the front. So, oh my gosh, leave me alone. China Grill. We are in China. We are in China. So I'm taking a video of the ceiling. That's the moon, the Earth, the Venus, the Jupiter over there. So look at that, so pretty. So it's already late in the evening. That's why those tables are empty. But look at their decoration in the wall. It's so pretty. See those Chinese decorations, and that's their bar. If you wanna order alcohol. Yeah, I'm doing a video on your restaurant so that I can download on YouTube. Yeah. You're welcome. So this is their front. I just talked to the owner. So hey guys, I'm here at the parking lot, and I'm here at China Grill. China Grill. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.